Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix preparing the Epic Games launcher stuck. Let's fix it guys. We just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. If Epic Game is running in the background, just right click on it and end task it. After that, just close stuff here. Now you just need to open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, find users folder, double click on it. Username folder. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here is your username. After knowing that, you just need to double click on it, and now you just need to select the view on the top and select show and check this hidden items over here. After that, you can able to see app data folder. Double click on it. Double click on the local folder. Now find Epic Games launcher folder. Double click on it. Double click on the saved folder. Now in here you just need to select a crashes folder and a web cache folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.